Hardik Pandya's love life, from marriage to rumors of a new romance. Hardik Pandya has never been away from the spotlight, both for his cricketing brilliance and his colourful personal life. From his whirlwind marriage with Natasha Stankovic to a series of high-profile link-ups and fresh rumours, the Indian all-rounder's love story has been as eventful as his cricketing career. The Natasha Stankovic chapter. In January 2020, Hardik stunned fans when he proposed to Serbian model actress Natasha Stankovic on a yacht in Dubai, and a few months later the couple tied the knot in an intimate ceremony during the pandemic and welcomed their son Agastya in July 2020. The pair renewed their wedding vows in 2023 in Udaipur, appearing stronger than ever, but in July 2024, Hardik and Natasha shocked everyone by confirming their separation. In a joint statement, they said they had mutually parted ways after 4 years of marriage, assuring fans that their son Agastya would remain their priority. Rumored relationships before and after as well. Hardik's name has often been linked with glamorous women from Bollywood and beyond. Number 1. Ellie Avram. One of the earliest link-ups of Hardik Pandya was his rumoured relationship with Ellie Avram, though the two never confirmed about the relationship. And then Isha Gupta. The actress was once rumoured to be close with Hardik, but she later clarified it never went beyond casual conversations. Number 3 is Jasmine Walia. After his split with Natasha, Hardik was frequently spotted with the British singer and TV personality Jasmine Walia. Their chemistry sparked relationship rumours, but the chatter cooled down when the two unfollowed each other on Instagram in 2025. Well, they were also spotted vacationing together after Natasha and Hardik's divorce as well. And now Mahika Sharma buzz. Most recently, Hardik has been linked with model actress Mahika Sharma. The rumours began after fans spotted similarities in their social media posts and speculated about them spending time together. While neither has confirmed the relationship, Mahika's name has been circulating heavily in gossip circles, making her the latest to be connected to the cricketer. Where things stand now as of now, Hardik Pandya is officially divorced from Natasha Stankovic and co-parenting their son Agastya. His alleged romances with Jasmine Walia and Mahika Sharma continue to dominate social media chatter, though the cricketer has stayed tight-lipped about his current relationship status. For now, the only certainty is that Hardik is focused on his cricket career and fatherhood, where his love life continues to keep fans and gossip mills on their toes.